welcome back. I am very excited tonight. I was perusing the marketplace and I found the Ridgid, it's the TP1300LS. I believe this is about 20 years old. It is apparently new in the box. It looks like it's never been opened. When I saw it, I was excited, wondering whether it was the old beige or the newer orange. There was a cutoff point there, I believe, in about 2003. It's a very nice machine. Back when I did tool repair, we were an official warranty center for Ridgid tools. This is one of the tools that never came in. We had piles and piles of the cordless stuff, the chargers that would melt down and light on fire, and the job site table saw back then. At one point we had 5 of them lined up with bad motors, waiting on those to show up. But this was not one of those tools that went bad a lot. Very excited tonight. Also, I have sort of a sponsor. A friend of mine owns a company called All Systems Connected, and he gave me this hat to wear during the filming. So I don't have any real sponsors yet, but, you know, I'm open to sponsorships. So we'll do a little walk around of the box here. As you can see, the model of the machine is the TP1300. The 1300LS indicates that this was the kit that came with the leg set. With the leg set, it also came with a shroud for hooking to a dust collector, and this also came with a little storage box with 2 new blades in. The box is actually in pretty good condition. When I posted a photo of my find over there on the Tool Bears Facebook, the Den of Tools, a number of people indicated perhaps that I had just bought a box full of perhaps human bones or sheetrock or perhaps even rocks, which is very possible. I was mostly excited to see if it was orange or beige. Kind of was hoping to sort of, like people do with their babies in their gender reveal business, I was going to reveal beige or orange, except I wouldn't have anyone dying or like the woods burning down. It's been taped, retaped here again. The original tape seems to be under it with one layer. Gonna put the camera back on the stand, and we'll cut the box up and pull off some styrofoam, and let's cross some fingers and see what we have. Okay, so I think I'm going to do a 2-parter. Let's clip those guys. We'll unbox. And then we'll also do an assembly and a test. Assemble the stand and all that business. This end of the box is in kind of tough shape. The staples are actually a bit rusty. When I went and picked this up, I met a very nice gentleman who had bought this years ago. He had plans of having a little woodwork shop. Had some issues going through some stuff and ended up with single again and having a motorcycle accident. Okay, see if I can tip this a little bit. There we go. There's the owner's manual right here on top. Oh, and a little refrigerator magnet type of a thing. I'll lay everything over here out on the table on top of the table saw. So this does come with a leg set. Here are all the bolts. Thankfully this is not a box of rocks or human bones. Positive tip for the leg set. I'll start pulling out so leg set. For some reason that is no longer in the plastic. Looks like there's going to be a number of different components here. Lay those all out. Got some footsies for the leg set. A knob. And then the lock for the switch. Cardboard out of the way. Looks like we have some more items. This leg set is, looks like it might be a bit intensive. And let's pull up the styrofoam. Set down the knife. Ooh. Look at that. It is the old beige unit. I am cutting the box open with a DeWalt knife, one of the big competitors to our friends at Ridgid. More leg pieces. Well, it definitely looks like a new old stock. Here's the shroud for the dust collection. Seems like a very nice looking new old tool. I will get to work on this stand. I don't know how much of that I really need to film, being as I don't think that stand is offered anymore by Ridgid. I do not know, but I'll get to work. Thank you for watching. The next video will do some snippets of the assembly. We'll get out some scrap wood and we'll zip a little through and see what we can do. Thank you.